In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your phone number on Temu. Whether you've got a new phone number or need to update your records, I'll guide you through the process. We'll keep it simple and straightforward, so let's get started. The first thing you'll want to do is open up your favorite web browser and head over to www.temu. Now once you're there, you'll need to log into your account. Make sure you have your credentials handy. Simply enter your username and password and you're in. If you've forgotten your password, no worries. Just follow the prompts to reset it. Now that you're logged in, look towards the upper right corner where you'll see your profile icon. Give that a click, and from the drop-down menu, select Account Security. This is where you'll find all the options related to safeguarding your account, and changing your phone number starts here. Next, you want to locate and select the option labeled phone number. Once you click on it, you'll be given the choice to update your existing number. Click on Change Phone Number to proceed. This step leads you into verification mode. Before you add a new number, you have to verify the current one. Temu will send a verification code to your old number, so take a moment to check your messages. Once you receive the code, enter it in the space provided. This step ensures that it's really you making this change. If you don't receive the code right away, be sure to check your signal strength and give it a moment. You can also request to send the code again if needed. With the old number verified, you're now ready to input the new phone number. Type it carefully to avoid any mistakes, and after entering it, you'll need to verify this new number as well. Again, you'll receive a code, but this time it'll be sent to the new number you've entered. Once it lands in your messages, enter this verification code where prompted to complete the process. And finally, you're on the home stretch. Click the Save button to finalize your changes. This step updates your account, linking it to your new phone number. And that's it. Your Temu account now reflects your updated contact information. Keep in mind, keeping your account details current is essential, not just for staying in the loop with Temu, but also for maintaining the security and integrity of your account. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide helped clarify the process. Be sure to check back for more how-to videos like this one.